Hello, and thank you for downloading the custom Cursor Shopify section by qwiqode. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use it. With this section, you can add a custom cursor for your store and also one for the hover state. That hover state is for hyperlinks or for buttons on your store. To get started, let's add an icon on this first image field. From here, you can select a custom cursor on your store. I already have this on my library. And there you go. This is the custom cursor. And then on this second field, you can add one for the hover state. I have this on my library. I'm going to use it. Okay. And as you can see on these images with hyperlinks, the cursor changes to that hover icon. And then down here, we have an option for the icon size. By default, it's medium, but you can select it to be small, large, and extra large like this. Okay. But on this example, I really like the medium size, so I'm going to leave it like that. So I'm going to save it, and that's it. Thank you again, and if you have any questions or if you run into any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us via our support page on our website. Thank you and take care.